Hello there, Glenn Campbell here again. And I'm in the business and life really of empowering people to become the new breed of conscious leader that enjoys greater meaning, fulfillment and joy and prosperity in their career and life. So let's review the role that having clarity and focus has to do with that. Well, the quick answer is everything. So now let's dig into this subject a little deeper. Look around right now. There has never been greater complexity, confusion, uncertainty, and insecurity, has there? This crazy upside-down world we're experiencing has never had more misinformation, deception, and let's call this last one for what it really is, downright lies. To say our ability to both understand and trust is being comprehensively shattered is a gross understatement. You know, back in 2018, IBM did global research and found over 72% of all leaders felt ill-equipped to handle the level of complexity and speed of change at the time. Imagine what those results would be now. Also in that study, leaders admitted to being too operationally immersed. In fact, they called it operational spaghetti, meaning their systems and processes were too complicated and slow to take advantage of opportunities as they arose. Now add to this the dynamic nature and speed of change, and this can be best exemplified by the knowledge doubling curve created by Buckminster Fuller and then finished off by IBM. Now in 1900, they found that knowledge was doubling every 100 years. By 1945, it was doubling every 25 years. By 1982, every 12 months. And now, every 12 hours. Now, that's called the Internet of Things. Now, this, of course, increases the perceived level of difficulty, the power of 10, if not more, from that study in 2018. I don't know about you, but doesn't 2018 feel like 100 years ago? Well, inside the context of this, it's impossible to avoid the fact that everything we knew, relied on and trusted has been systematically collapsing over the last 2 years. We're all moving at breakneck speed into the great unknown, and there's just no playbook. So yeah, it's not exactly easy to get clarity and focus around anything external in this case. And that's now why it's more important for leaders and in fact everybody to shift out of the external chaos, confusion and complexity and to go within the internal. You see, the thing is trying to battle external uncertainty with internal uncertainty will just lead to more uncertainty, more chaos, confusion and struggle. You know, Gandhi once said, if you cannot go within, you will go without. So getting clarity and focus of self first, the only real realm you need to know, and that has all the answers you need anyway, is not just something you should do. It's absolutely essential to thriving where everything external is in mayhem. And that's where I can help you. I've been working with leaders across 4 continents for over 30 years now, and my key focus has been helping them to get clarity and focus of their true higher self and potential, to become highly conscious, self-aware leaders that are visionary and that are clear about their higher purpose and unique identity. And then to help them to create aligning clarity and focus in their business as well. And that means that there's a symbiotic relationship between the two that is powerful, compelling, distinctive, and engaging. This unity is what creating real personal and organizational brands is all about. And that's why they're so rare. And I mean hen's teeth rare. So my point here is this. When leaders engage and commit to my program, something absolutely magical happens. Not only just for the leader and their team or the culture, but for emotionally engaging prospects and clients into the narrative, the brand story, as I call it, and that this then kind of positively transforms everything and everyone for the better forever. Now that's the extraordinary consciousness that delivers extraordinary success. And that's why it's all about going within and expanding your consciousness, because when consciousness moves or is directed toward an outcome, it becomes the primary force of creation. All other forces are derived from consciousness. Now, I've been doing this work with leaders using my unique and proven BSI Method and one-on-one coaching program for over 15 years. And if you're interested in starting that amazing journey, please just click on the link below this video. Now, doing that will get you access to my insightful free manifesto, which you can download immediately. You'll also get access to a free one-on-one high-value strategy session with me, where I can explain in more detail how the work I do will work in your specific situation. Or for those that want to get started now, the same link will provide access to my online conscious leadership programs. Now, if you're one of the courageous leaders looking to rise out of the chaos, confusion, and devastation that so many are currently experiencing and get real clarity and focus, then please click on the link below this video now and begin your journey to freedom of expression, success, and prosperity. And if this resonates, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your family, friends, and community. The more conscious leaders we have, the greater our chances of creating a vastly better world that we can all enjoy. Onward and upward, and bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.